Today, we will be making letter tiles out of things you can find at home. You will need some boxes from food, a ruler, and a pen or pencil. You'll also need some scissors. You'll start by taking apart the box. Careful not to rip any of the large pieces of cardboard. You may need to use scissors to cut along the edges of the box. I prepared 2 smaller boxes just to be safe. Next, you or an adult will have to cut off all the flaps from the cardboard box. You want to keep the long, flat pieces of cardboard for your cards. Ignore the lines on the cardboard for now. I'll show you in the next step how to measure them. We will be making a set of cards that are 2 inches by 1 inch. So when I measured my paper, I saw that I could make 2-inch markings along my ruler. 2, 4, and 6. I'll move my ruler down and make those markings again so I can measure a straight line. I use my ruler to connect the dots. Now I will turn my paper and mark 1-inch sections. I notice that I can't complete my last inch, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I move my ruler down to the bottom of the paper and do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll connect the dots and make a straight line. My last section is not quite an inch, so I'll chop off that part and put it in my scrap pile. It's important that you count how many cards you've made so far. Depending on the size of your box, you may be able to be finished, or you might have to make some more. Remember, you will need 26 cards. You or an adult should now cut carefully along the lines to separate your cards. Because of the size of my box, I know that I'm going to need at least 6 more cards, plus some just in case I mess up. So here's the process again. I plan to store my cards in a Ziploc bag. I also will need 2 different colored markers, one for vowels and one for consonants. I start with my vowels first, A, E, I, O, and U, and I will make them red. Use lowercase letters because most of the words will not be proper nouns. Now I'll write my consonants. The only tricky part is not to rewrite your vowels. So for instance, I already have a red A, so I started at B, C, D, and so on, making sure to skip my vowels along the way. Double check your cards with me. Remember, you should have 26 letters with 5 red vowels. Be sure to carefully put the cards away whenever you use them.